Okay, folks, I gotta tell you, the hype is real. ChatGPT is truly mind-blowing. This AI was released in late 2022, and it has been taking the internet by storm. For the last few months, ChatGPT has been revolutionizing various domains. Think, authoring books sold on Amazon, crafting viral tweets for influencers, and even acing university exams. As your AI Shifu, I've made it my mission to unlock its full potential. With its prowess, ChatGPT can take on so many different roles that benefit users tremendously. This video will reveal 5 brilliant ways to make this powerful AI work for you. But before we dive in, let me give you a quick rundown on how to sign up for ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, create a unique username, no password 123, folks, and voila. You're ready to unlock the potential of ChatGPT. Now, let's get started. Do you know how the US president has a daily brief where his staff will give him a rundown of high-level key information? Well, ChatGPT can be your personal briefer. A very useful feature of ChatGPT is its ability to summarize. Long article you don't want to read? No problem. Just add the extension summary with ChatGPT to your browser. Go to the article and click on the icon and voila. In seconds, it'll condense the article into a couple of sentences. ChatGPT's mind-blowing ability extends to summarizing YouTube videos, especially handy for lengthy content, like podcasts. With the extension already installed, simply go to the YouTube video and click on the icon to have the entire clip summarized. In no time, you'll have a concise summary without the hours of watching. What's more, you can go to settings, adjust the prompt so that it will summarize in the way that you want. ChatGPT can also swiftly summarize extensive text, like hundreds of pages. Simply open the PDF with the Chrome browser, click the icon, and you have your super condensed summary. No need to read for hours. This feature would be tremendously helpful if you need to read important but lengthy, convoluted legal documents. Just ask ChatGPT to summarize it in simple English. It's truly amazing. Imagine having a virtual teacher at your fingertips, ready to quench your thirst for knowledge. ChatGPT is like an endless encyclopedia, providing explanations and insights on any subject you desire. Plus, it's not just about regurgitating facts. It can create customized study plans and offer learning materials tailored to your needs. ChatGPT's teaching prowess covers diverse subjects, from languages to software like Photoshop. And guess what? It's all free. Stuck on a project or tricky math? ChatGPT is that smarty study buddy everyone needs. It solves problems, explains concepts, and can even check your work. Need a grade? Ask it to rate your paper out of 100 and it'll not only give you a score, but also explain why. Your personal teacher and study pal all rolled into one. Move over, Alexa. ChatGPT is the ultimate personal assistant you've been dreaming of. Its finesse knows no bounds when it comes to tackling everyday tasks. Need to draft emails effortlessly? Consider it done. Going on a business trip? ChatGPT is a pro at making travel arrangements and finding the best flight deals that won't break the bank. And let's not forget its talent for keeping your schedule impeccably organized, ensuring you never miss a beat. Not only can ChatGPT tackle everyday tasks, but it can also handle those uncomfortable scenarios that make you break out in a cold sweat. Need to ask your boss for a raise? ChatGPT has your back, helping you craft a persuasive pitch that highlights your accomplishments and value to the company. It's like having a savvy tactician by your side, ready to tackle all the heavy lifting. With ChatGPT as your personal assistant, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Perhaps one of the most useful roles ChatGPT can play for you is that of a creative assistant. Whether you're composing blog posts, crafting video scripts, or even penning the perfect song lyrics, ChatGPT is your omnipotent creative partner. Well, dang, with the AI PRM plugin, you can even ask it to write a book. Even when you're stuck, ChatGPT can help get your creativity flowing. Just ask it to give you some ideas to start. Its suggestions will amaze you. ChatGPT excels in brainstorming sessions, offering unique perspectives and innovative concepts to elevate your writing to new heights. And the best part? It doesn't stop at generating ideas. ChatGPT is also an expert at providing valuable feedback, helping you refine and polish your work to perfection. One of the remarkable attributes that sets ChatGPT apart is its remarkable capacity to mirror your unique writing style. By analyzing your messages and emails, it learns to write like you, capturing your nuances and tone with astonishing accuracy. This feature proves highly useful when ChatGPT needs to write and reply on your behalf, as it creates content that people believe you wrote. When it comes to language learning, ChatGPT is a game changer. It goes beyond just being a language practice tool. It becomes your language learning companion. With ChatGPT, you can immerse yourself in interactive conversations that help improve your language skills. It's like having a virtual language partner who patiently engages with you, correcting your mistakes and offering suggestions for improvement. Not only that, but ChatGPT also assists in expanding your vocabulary by providing word definitions and synonyms, making your language arsenal more robust. And if you ever find yourself puzzled by grammar rules, fear not. ChatGPT is there to explain those tricky concepts in a way that's easy to understand. With ChatGPT by your side, language learning becomes a dynamic and engaging journey. And there you have it. I've shared with you 5 brilliant ways to leverage ChatGPT for optimizing every facet of your life. As AI technology keeps progressing, the possibilities for its applications will only grow wider. So subscribe to AI Shifu for more thrilling developments and discoveries as we delve into the remarkable accomplishments you can attain with AI tools like ChatGPT. Until then, happy exploring and experimenting.